I'm here today with Shaaf Farooq, Program Manager of the Clinic here at McMaster University. Thank you for joining me today, Shaaf.
Thank you so much, Dr. O'Byrne. It's truly a pleasure to be here with you today.
The Clinic has become a hub for entrepreneurship training and health innovation at McMaster. How is it helping to move ideas from the lab to real-world impact?
We really see the clinic as an innovation catalyst, whether that be students, researchers, clinicians, or faculty at McMaster. Our goal is really to be able to give them the tools that they need to be able to A, tackle meaningful problems, and B, having creative ways to solve them. We have now supported over 3,000 aspiring innovators and established entrepreneurs that have gone through our cadre of programmings to be able to bring their ideas to the real world. What really allows us to work and operate together is this just-in-time model that we can use to support innovators at every stage of their journey. So this starts with the Health Innovation Bootcamp, typically the first point of contact for many innovators because it starts before the starting line. A lot of times people are not sure whether they want to take the step into entrepreneurship. The Health Innovation Bootcamp is really to teach the fundamentals of what entrepreneurship in the health setting looks like and what it really takes to bring your ideas to life. For the more advanced innovators, we have something called the residency program, which is a milestone-based approach. We love problem-based learning here, so part of it is being able to embed that into the culture that we are presenting here. This is for more established ideas that are emerging from research labs, classrooms, and clinical settings, and really to help them articulate the value behind their innovation. What does it mean when you get it out in the real world? Whose problem are they solving? And how do you find a way to sustain it?
Since its launch, the clinic has supported students and researchers and clinicians with mentorship and commercialization pathways. Can you share any new programs or opportunities that are available now?
This year, one of our signature initiatives has been the Hearsing Masterclass in collaboration with the Martin X. E. Hearsing School of Biomedical Innovation and Entrepreneurship. So this is a new innovation training programs that we have launched exclusively for faculty and hospital teams. So our first iteration back in the summer was in response to an identified need that we saw with our partners in Hamilton Health Sciences just ahead of their Spark pitch competition. We saw an opportunity to be able to provide a very tailor-made program that gives the hospital innovators the support and training they need to learn the fundamentals of entrepreneurship, as well as pressure test their ideas for real world impact. Again, with most of our initiatives, community was at the heart of it. So what this did was bring people together, researchers, innovators, clinical collaborators to create the conditions that allow for collaboration, mentorship, and genuine discovery. With that being a huge success, it feels like we're just getting started. So our goal is now to be able to scale the masterclass, writing the inflection of the direction that university is taking across the ecosystem and across their lab and hospital networks to be able to provide the same support in a better manner to the labs and faculty right here on campus.
Thank you for joining me today, Shaaf, and for sharing how the clinic helps innovators turn early stage ideas into real-world solutions.
Dr. O'Byrne, it's been truly a pleasure, and thank you so much for your time.